Hello guys, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and for this video, I want to share with you how I was able to get more than 100 subscribers in 7 days and how you can do that in your YouTube channel as well. So, 100 subscribers is not that much, pero it's still really good for especially for starting YouTubers, right? So, it's really good, and imagine having 100 subscribers every single week. It will only take you 10 weeks and you'll already get the 1,000 subscribers mo, di ba? Then it will be easier to monetize your channel. Ang kailangan mo na lang, you just need the 4,000 watch hours, which of course this video can also help cover that, di ba? And maganda rito, I will show you step by step and or the secrets that I used, pwede mo ring gamitin in your channel in order for you to get 100 subscribers or more in 7 days without really having, too much spending too much time in YouTube, right? Kasi possible this is just your side hustle or you're just doing this on the side, right? And of course, stay up until the end of this video because I will be sharing with you a bonus in which I will tell you how I am able to monetize my channel even if I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So do you want that? Do you want to learn how to monetize your channel even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet? If you want that, stay up until the end of this video. Alright, so palambing naman ng konti, kindly subscribe in my channel if you're liking this video. If you like the content, please comment down below, hit the like button, and please subscribe in my channel. Alright, so punta tayo sa first first step, you can join YouTube groups and you do sub to sub, right? Or you hug to hug, whatever that is. But this should not be your main strategy, no? But this works. No? May mga nag-unsubscribe lang. I don't really know ano yung meron dun sa mga taong nag-unsubscribe. I don't know anong problema nila, right? But you can do this like on your free time, probably 5 a day, 3 to 5 a day, maybe 10 a day, I don't know. And don't get hurt if people don't subscribe. Again, it's their loss, it's their problem. You only get hurt kapag dito ka lang nakatutok, if dito ka lang umaasa. Right? Of course, I want to tell that's one of the things that we do and I do as well. But I don't mind if I subscribe to people and they don't want to subscribe back. Okay lang yung bahala sila, diba? But I have other strategies so that I can have really permanent subscribers because the goal is permanent subscribers. Tama ba? Right? So that's the first strategy that we're using. Second strategy is when you subscribe to other people and when you watch their videos, I would really suggest that you visit their channel, watch their videos, especially the starting YouTubers as well, and then leave comments. Right? Spend comments there, leave comments. Yung mapapansin nila yung comment mo. Right? Because really, for me, permanent subscribers, people who really would get and subscribe to you permanently, they would subscribe back if they see that you're serious and you're really also permanent as well. So of course, be permanent when you subscribe to other YouTubers as well. Support din yan natin sa kanila. But most importantly, also leave comments. Watch the video a bit, or if you're really interested, watch the whole video and then leave comments to help this channel grow as well. Huwag tayo magkatakan pababa, right? Let's push everyone up. That's the goal, right? That's the goal. Have that abundance mentality. Push everyone up so that more people will push you up as well. Diba? Comment kayo rito, and then I will go back and visit your channel. I will subscribe to you. I have about 3 YouTube channels. Actually more, pero 3 yung talagang gumagana. So I will be subscribing to you guys and just leave a comment here and please subscribe with me as well. Right? So the third thing that I use and third strategy that I do is you ask support from your friends. Post in your timeline. Right? I will show you the post that I did. So one time I post when I had 150 subscribers, sabi ko, of course, I started to really be serious dito sa YouTube during the lockdown. And because of ACQ, I said that, I'm now a serious YouTuber, because before I have a page as well. I use that in real estate, and I make good money out of it, right? But hindi ko kinakareer, no, yung watch hours. Basta I just really put in content, and especially the subscribers. But it has grown as well. So in my page, personal channel talaga, this is what I did, no? So nagsimula pa lang ako. So April 24, I posted, okay, I have 150 subscribers. Maybe you could subscribe and support. I will truly appreciate it. And my friends really appreciate it. If you would notice, there's about 96 comments and 118 reactions there. And a lot of people really saw that and truly subscribed, right? Ito yung maganda. No? So if mapansin mo talaga, if you will see the comments, follow kita boss, congrats sir, subscribe na po ako, subscribe na, nakasubscribe na ako, right? Wow, YouTube star, ganyan. Diba? So, mag-subscribe din ako sir. Sometimes people, even people that I don't really know, yet, but maybe not that close, but they are somehow watching my YouTube na rin. They really want to watch as well. So, and I also even inspired people, no, to create their own YouTube channel. So you can do that as well. Huwag kang mahiya. Post it in your timeline, especially if you have good content. Right? Ask for their help. They will be happy to help you. If you're a good person and your friends are good, they will be happy to help you. So don't be afraid to post. Right? Just download TubeBuddy, have this milestone, and when you hit the milestone, you just share it. Okay, so that's the third strategy. The fourth strategy, obviously, this should be in YouTube really talaga. We have to create quality videos, right? Create quality content. The videos that really solves people's problems, just like this one. And you think of your audience, ano ba yung gusto nila, and then provide that video for them. There's a lot of successful YouTubers as well. However, sometimes I feel hindi masyadong maganda yung content or just pure entertainment, although entertainment is part of it. Sometimes, sorry to say, may mga videos na hindi talaga, not quality, the content, I would say. Basta makapost lang. And for me, hindi tatagal yun. No? Somehow, even the people who are posting entertainments and really fun, malalim eh. Di ba? Maganda yung pagkaka-edit or talagang maganda rin yung pagkaka-shoot, pinag-isipan. They thought about what they will post, right? It is staged, planado, right? So you gotta create quality content. That's for me one of the things, because when you create quality content, you don't even need to ask people to subscribe to you, right? Or to your channel. I want to show you like this one of the contents that I made. I actually had made a presentation lang sa team namin sa office, and then I recorded, I posted it in YouTube because we want to market this. And true enough, with after 339 views, itong how to make money in Philippine tracking business easily, already had 51 comments. And I got a lot of subscribers here, diba? And if you notice, the comments are not comments na from YouTubers who are nakikisub to sub. No, these are really watchers and followers, and they would really subscribe. Oh, they are even inquiring. I'm interested. Good job. Ganda ng presentation. And they're asking questions. I'm an OFW going home next month. They want to partner with us, right? So these are the things that you can do as well. Right? Create quality contents for people who would really want to watch your video, because they will be returning subscribers. They are, they will not just subscribe and then hindi rin manonood ng content mo, because you need watch hours. Right? So for that to happen, you need really loyal subscribers, and then of course share more quality content. Hindi yun nakakasawa. Something that they will benefit from you. If you would notice here, in just this video, I just posted it maybe probably less than 2 weeks ago, or in just 2 weeks, had 16 subscribers, not bad. Right? Ito yung isa sa mga humatak ng maraming subscribers. And then if you would notice, down below, audience retention, 7 minutes and 48 seconds, right? They're watching it long enough, not just 1 minute, 2 minutes, right? They're watching it, and some people would have watched it long, hanggang dulo, right? Some of my content are like that, and they even see the end credits and they will click next and then watch the next videos. That's what's been happening. So when you create quality content, and maganda nga if it's longer than 10 minutes, so that people when they get hooked, mahaba agad, watch hours din kagad yun. Then they become eventually your subscribers, right? So this is something. And then, of course, the fifth secret or fifth strategy is you create a Facebook group. That's my suggestion. Um, because of so many reasons. When you create a Facebook group of people who have the same interests, and then you give value for them, again, probably isipin mo, baka matagal yung resulta nito. Yes, that might be long-term, pero the effect is also long-term. You will really have long-term followers, hindi yung taga-subscribe lang, pwede mag-unsubscribe, right? Sub to sub, watch you for a few seconds. You will not really eventually make really the passive income that you want because you're not providing good content or to the targeted audience. So create a Facebook group wherein targeted yung audience nyo. And then this is what I did. After providing value for 1 week, just 1 week, or for 2 weeks, sabihin na natin, for 2 weeks, and I then asked them, tiniming ko 1 week or parang 5 days after me posting in my timeline, as you've noticed earlier, I also posted in the Facebook group. I told them, okay, are you enjoying the videos that I'm making? So I'm sharing the videos there. That's one thing. The videos I create in my channel, I share there. And there are people who are waiting and who are interested. I actually have a Facebook page. I post the videos there, pero delayed. I post the YouTube videos first. So people who are really interested in the topic that I create, they already go to YouTube before the Facebook launches, right? So that's one thing that I do. And so I get viewers and really watchers, not just, makikisub and, not sub to sub lang or just watch 1 minute or a few seconds of my video. Diba? So if you would notice, when I posted, there's 81 reactions and around 25 comments. Diba? So, and these comments, if you can see, yeah, done na po, right? No, I will post it in my wall, subscribe na, done. Right? If you would notice, people are happily supporting me. So people will be happily supporting you if you have that group that you care about. Hopefully your content is really something of quality, right? Bonus. So here is the bonus item, as I promised earlier, how to monetize your channel even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So here's the thing. The first secret is hopefully the video that you're creating is something of value to people, right? Maybe you're giving a review or you're presenting an opportunity. Again, YouTube is really made for people who are looking for solutions to their problems, answers to their questions, right? So in this video, as you've noticed, how to make money in the Philippines, in the Philippine trucking business easily, by only have 339 views. What I did first is, and this is one of the common mistakes of people, so do not do this. Have a link in your video. If you are promoting something, hopefully you're promoting something, you're reviewing something. This is like an affiliate marketing, right? Or if you have your own product, you can use it as well. Have a link in the description that goes to your Facebook page like this. This is my link of my Facebook page. And even a registration, because we'll be running a seminar, so people will register. We will contact them for the schedule. So I put it there. I even put my website there, djdimaliuat.com. You can visit it as well. I have a free ebook for you. So if you've noticed there's a link and people go to my Facebook page and I'm talking to them for potential businesses. If you can see, there's a lot of inquiries here from these people. Like napanood ko po sa YouTube yung about sa tracking business. At may nagre-run na kayong trucks. There are really inquiries, a lot. I got about 13 inquiries in less than a week. For the past 5 days, bigla na lang pumutok yung video na to. Right? Of course, when you start posting, people will not like it first, or there will be no viewers, not much viewers. So what I did, when someone inquired, I even posted the link to my group again, yung kanina sinishare ko, the 6 Figures a Month PH group. You can join it as well if you want. There's a lot of inspiring videos there and lessons. A very powerful group if you want to make good money. Right, so I shared it with them. I asked them, oh guys, support naman. We're trying out this presentation. Can you give me feedback? And there are really people who asked for feedback or who gave me feedback and told me that, you know, this is something good, ganyan, ganyan. Right? Again, if you would notice here, yeah, so interested daw siya, ganyan. So there are people who are really asking, right? So this is the post in my group that what one of the people who I invited posted something. She want to promote something in the group, and I allowed it because I'm the admin of the group, so I choose people who can promote. Right? And there's, if you would notice in this post, there's 55 comments, right? And a lot of reactions as well in this sales automation post. There are a lot of people who are inquiring, and true enough, one of them pa lang, because there's a lot of batches. During the first batch, she got one from the group. Actually, there's two more coming in. She's updating me, right? And she gave me 10% of her sale, 'di ba? So sabi niya she's transferring, or she actually has transferred already 800 pesos. That's not much, but you know, without doing anything, and by while growing my YouTube channel, I'm already starting to earn. That's 800 pesos. That's about almost $20, right? $16 probably, right? So it's already doing well. And you know, in the trucking business, I haven't shown you, but there's something, someone who inquired, you know, if you've watched that video, the package we're selling is 500,000 pesos, right? When you sell that package, you get, let's say, a referral fee of 5,000. Right? And bukod doon, of course, that package as well, we still earn from that business. Right? So, you know, when you understand how YouTube works, you can already make money even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. Of course, we would want the 1,000 subscribers so that we can run ads. But that's just one way to make money in YouTube, running ads. Pero medyo matagal pa yun. Even if you have that 1,000 subscribers, if you don't post quality content, and people don't watch your videos, you will not really earn that much. So better start right. While this early, start right and provide the quality content that you know, your audience is looking for. Right? So again, if you like this video, um, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that every time that I post videos and contents, you will get updated. And I hope you really like those strategies. Leave a comment if you like that or if you have some suggestions. And also, please comment what else do you want to learn from me? What topics do you want me to cover? Whatever questions that you have, I would want to create videos for you so that I can provide value to you, my audience. So thank you very much for listening and see you again in our next video.